Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. It's interesting to know the names of colors. Here are the names of common colors. Color, Nsam. Here we go. Red, I can. Black, Ajang. White, Apro. Yellow, Nsam. Blue, Nsam. Remember the word for sky? Sky is lemu. Therefore, sky blue, lemu nsam. Green, asit nsam. Gold, ja nsam. Silver, gumpro nsam. Brown, mang nsam. Indigo, matat nsam. Gray, one kut nsam. Different cultures perceive colors differently, and here we can see the way Kachin people think straightforwardly to give names to colors. For the colors, we Kachin people have solid reference. Now let's see how we perceive colors. Purple, sababu nsam. Here, Sabasi means aubergine. Sabasi. Si refers to fruit or vegetable. And bu is flower. Therefore, sababu is aubergine flower. For us, purple is the color of aubergine flowers. Sababu nsam. Just for your information, aubergine, sabasi, it's the most common vegetable in our homeland. Okay, here's one more. Orange, lui pi nsam. Lui si is the fruit orange, and pi is peel. Lui pi, orange peel. So for us, the color orange is the color of orange peel. Lui pi nsam. Ginger, shanam nsam. Shanam or shingnam is ginger, one of the most common spices for Kachin cuisine. Let's review the color. Red, akang. Black, ajang. White, apro. Yellow, nsam. Blue, nsam. Sky blue, lemu nsam. Green, asit nsam. Gold, ja nsam. Silver, gumpro nsam. Brown, mang nsam. Indigo, matat nsam. Gray, one kut nsam. Purple, sababu nsam. Ginger, shanam nsam. Orange, lui pi nsam. For more colors such as violet, pink, bluish, emerald green, ruby, I highly recommend Jinghpaw Handbook, Jinghpaw Like Ka Lak Joy, published by Kachin College Press. Chances are that you may need help with pronunciation for the names of colors. For that, talk with Kachin friend. Have fun learning the names of colors. 3ing ni asom je me jo ndai ko English ko grai khan ma tat na ngai ma no ma nang ni mu Jinghpaw Like Ka Lak Joy book mri chi ka